Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise in this chamber today to ask question 128/2015, directed to Minister for Employment, Productivity and Industrial Relations. With reference to most of the unfortunate dual work fatalities that occurred in February this year inside the foreign registered trading vessel MV Vestiros, which was battered out at sea at Doni Bota in Lemi, can the Minister update the House on what the Ministry is doing to address the breaches of Fijian OHS laws in these two fatality cases? Thank you.
Thank you. I invite the Minister for Employment, Productivity and Industrial Relations to respond to the question.
Madam Speaker, the Acting Prime Minister, the Honourable Attorney General, the Honourable Leader of the Opposition, Honourable Members. Before I answer the question, let me give the August House a quick brief on what happened. The vessel referred to, the MV Betsy Ross, is a South African registered trading vessel which came to Fiji, I've been reliably informed, from Tonga at the beginning of the year. It is owned and operated by a South African who is a citizen of the United Kingdom named Shane Fekwa. On arrival in Suva, Mr. Fekwa contracted and employed 4 Fijians on a temporary basis to assist in the general maintenance work and refit of the vessel. Madam Speaker, regrettably, on the morning of Thursday, the 19th of February of this year, a Fijian and one of the South African crew members died on board the vessel whilst engaged in trying to clean and repaint part of the hold. Madam Speaker, the initial investigation conducted by the Ministry's Occupational Health and Safety officials with the collaboration and assistance of the police, the Health and National Fire Authority and the Fiji Maritime and Safety Inspectors confirmed that the cause of death for the 2 workers could have been attributed to the inhalation of toxic fumes, possibly from a combination of the paint and the removing solvents which men were using in a very confined space in the vessel's hold. Madam Speaker, the OHS inspectors also confirmed that the men were not wearing or using the correct and suitable equipment for working under such circumstances. Madam Speaker, this tragedy could have been avoided if the owner of the vessel, Mr. Foucault, and the crew had taken the necessary precaution steps to ensure that the deceased were properly equipped to carry out their jobs. Madam Speaker, the National OHS Service of the Ministry is responsible for the promotion of OHS and enforcement of the Health and Safety at Work Act of 1996 and its subsidiary legislations and the Workmen's Compensation Act, Cap 98. The activities of the National OHS Service are based on the concept of duty of care, principles, and promotes a proactive OHS risk management culture emphasizing the creed that, and I quote, "those who create the risks in the workplace and those who work with them have the primary responsibility to solve them, rather than relying on OHS inspectors to prescribe the remedies as encouraged in the former statutory and administrative arrangements under the former Factories Act." Madam Speaker, the Ministry aims to promote and maintain a working environment which is healthy and safe to both workers and employers and directly contributes to improved productivity. This is achieved by improved OHS awareness through training of OHS committees and OHS representatives, joint OHS partnership projects, development of OHS regulations and codes of practice, OHS audits, investigations and enforcement initiatives. Madam Speaker, as we meet, I have on the ground right throughout the country OHS inspectors who regularly visit job sites and factories to ensure that the regulations are complied with and to assist as required. Thank you.
Thank you.